How did we get engaged? Well, we flew to South Africa, to Johannesburg. I had a bushwalk planned for the Tuesday morning to see the animals, and I had flowers and champagne and a photographer booked. The night before, while we were at the reserve, if any of the sort of majestic animals like the elephants or the giraffes came to the watering hole, that was going to be the sign.
And I really didn't get an inkling until Mike, who was cool as a cucumber 99.9% of the time, suddenly got very jittery around these elephants and grabbed his bag and then ran off the terrace and then ran back on, and then my dad was like, just give me the baby. And
as he was like, I'm breastfeeding my daughter, and he was like, yeah, but just go and enjoy the animals.
And I thought, maybe I'm getting in the way of something here. So
she passed Susie over and I took Isabel to see the elephants, and I said, will you marry me?
And I said yes.
She said yes.